Okay, last example for 3.2. Quadratic formula, we want to make sure one side equals 0, so we'll start by, adding 7 to both sides. Plus 7, there we go. Okay, that gives us the equation x squared minus 6x plus 10 equals 0. Then we identify a equals 1, b equals negative 6, and c equals 10. Then when we plug that into our quadratic formula, we will have x equals the opposite of b, so positive 6, plus or minus the square root of b squared, don't forget the parentheses, minus 4 times our a value times our c value, all over 2 times a. On the calculator, I'm going to type in only the discriminant part. So starting with negative 6 in parentheses, and then the squared on the outside, minus 4 times a times c. And that gives us the number of negative 4. So we would have 6 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. Now, because this number is less than 0 underneath the square root, that means our discriminant is telling us we're going to get 2 imaginary solutions. Okay. We should also simplify that square root. So the square root of negative 4, we're going to do the square root of 4, and the square root of negative 2. The square root of negative 1 is I. So then we know we would have x equals 6 plus or minus 2i all over 2. Now we should get 2 imaginary solutions. To get our first one, we're going to add. So we'll have x equals 6 plus 2i over 2. And if we separate that to simplify, we would have 6 over 2 plus 2i over 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2i divided by 2 is just 1i or I. Then we can do our next one where we subtract the top part. So this one was minus, the first one was a plus. So when we subtract, we would get x equals 6. If we separate it, 6 over 2 minus 2i over 2. Then we can simplify to get our final answer of 3 minus I. Okay, that's the end of 3.2. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out and let me know. And don't forget to do the homework.